What's going on, guys? It's ThatRedYota. So today we're going to be doing a little something different from my normal video. We are in my buddy Joel's garage. Say hi, Joel.
What's up, guys?
And we are going to be working on his, what year is it?
It's the 01.
01 Tundra race car today.
V8 4.7 liter, long travel front end, Devers in the back, personally built front end. Yeah. It's
dope. I'll do a spin around in the wheelchair.
Okay.
You wanna push me around?
Oh, sure.
That'd be nice.
I'll push you around.
I'm in a wheelchair. Not because I'm hurt, but just because he has a wheelchair and it's kind of nice.
We have kings up front, coilovers, bumps up front, Dever leaf springs in the back, dual bypass king shocks, about 16 inches travel on the rear, splined rear end, 35s, side exhaust still in progress. Don't even worry. Nice. Get some coffee if you want.
Yeah.
We got a PCI race radio, actual police siren, mob armor set, Bluetooth setup, nice speakers. And this is a camber long travel front. These are actually 4x4 spindles, but no 4x4 obviously.
Because it's a race car.
Race car.
Race cars aren't four-wheel drive.
Prerunner's two-wheel drive.
Alright, buddy, so what are we going to be doing today?
So this is the third time the spindle bearing has been worn out. We had about a couple years ago this one go out, and then I believe it's because of the 4x4 setup. That's why.
So what about it is 4x? Is it just like that's a spindle from a four-wheel drive?
Yeah, this is from a Tacoma set actually. So you can see in here, there's actually the CV joint set up.
Really?
Yes.
But that's interesting.
Yeah.
So this is not from the four-wheel drive Tundra, it's from a Tacoma.
Yes.
And that's just that bearing inside,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Okay, that's cool.
So,
and alrighty.
Yeah, so we gotta pop this off.
But then
Do the nut.
yeah, the spindle is like a Tundra size spindle though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So it's just the bearing inside. That's cool.
It's just the housing in the back. That's all 4x4.
I got you. Also, by the way, we did hit 100 subscribers, which I'm
Very proud of.
very proud of. That's actually so cool.
Yes.
I will be doing a giveaway as promised. I just have to find something to give away. Actually, if you know what you want and it's under like 25 bucks, if you write it in the comments and I think it's cool and I choose what you want, I'll send you something. So go ahead and do that. And I think that's what I'll do. You just have to be subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment.
So now we gotta get needle nose pliers, and then I gotta take the castle nut off, and then figure out what size that is. There we go. Alright. That almost can come off. Damn. Okay. Now, gotta figure out what size this is. Let me guess. I'm gonna guess right here. I don't know. Here we go.
Sweet. We're gonna have to take the spindle off too, right, or no?
I actually believe that's the next step in the process.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could even hear it. It's the bearing. See, when I was on the road, you know, turning with tires this big, it's just really hard on these bearings, you know. So, obviously, you know, hard turns with 35-inch tall tires, it just eats up the bearing right quick. I need to put the steering pine back in because this is moving. I need to torque it properly. Good. Well, there's just a lot of pressure. see if I can get this one. Yes! Finally, bitch!
Did you crack it?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it's gonna like pour out. Yeah, I did have some dirt.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go.
Always use grade 8. The Allen head that I just had over there broke. Use this.
You need a wrench up there, bro.
Nice, bro!
I feel like I should have told you sooner, but I kind of thought it was funny.
I'm like, it stripped. Is it on?
Is it good?
Yeah. This shit's in here. And it's
How heavy is that?
I'd say good 20 pounds.
Good rep weight.
You know, I'm pretty strong.
Yeah.
There we go. This is basically the inner side of the spindle hub. See, it's got the splines here. Castle nut goes on here. CV joint right there, and that's the inner seal. You can see it's all messed up. So we're gonna replace this seal, I believe, and the other sections over there.
Sweet, dude.
Yeah.
I found is all these bearings are pretty much made somewhere overseas and rebadged, and everybody just puts their name on it.
Yeah.
Timken, Federal Mogul, like.
And what we were going to buy the other ones, but they're really
this,
expensive.
This bothers me. I don't know if that lip's supposed to be there.
I know there is one lip that's supposed to be there. I'm pretty sure. We can go check on the web.
It's shiny, dude.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Come out.
should be good.
Yeah.
Clear.
You get the ring in.
Yeah.
This is bending, huh?
Well, it's coming. Looks like it's coming down in the grommet. Grab that one.
We're good?
Yep.
Yeah, I got you.
Nope.
Hold on. No, because now we gotta get something that's hollow, right?
And that's so you can go over and push the outer
Yeah.
one while the inner one stays in place, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much how it was. And then we need that inner seal.
Wait a minute. There. That's what I need.
I don't want to crush the bearing though, you know?
Joe, where's the castle nut?
Captain Castle Nut!
And you really can't, like, until it's under load, you know? That might be okay.
Yeah. Really got to see with the wheel on and this back on.
And you had a cotter pin, right?
Yep.
You know what happened here, right?
Yeah, he told me he.
This was a 4-wheel drive kit.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I
okay.
did my research. I'm like, doesn't matter. You just take the freaking CV balls and just run it like this.
Yeah.
It's cool how the Tacoma parts fit in the Tundra. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's just it makes it a lot easier.
Makes sense.
Yeah. When you're working on
Just
stuff.
the shock tower's off a bit.
Yeah.
Because our
On the older, I don't know if that's the case with all the newer. Make sure all your threads are, you know, if you want to clean them out.
Well, I'm gonna put anti-seize.
Anti-seize on everything.
And I can get the cotter pin out in there.
Yeah, but wait until you're like, get the wheel on and then spin
Lower
it
down.
and feel it. Yeah, and then maybe kind of shake it. I think it's good
I
right
don't know
here.
if I can get the cap on with the wheel on. I think I can.
Ooh. Yeah, you can't.
Rotor's back on, putting the caliper on. Upper arms tight, lower arms tight, steering columns tight. So final stages, still gotta see if this is fully tight. We should be good to go. Where's the third one?
Up there.
The third one, yeah.
Number 3 out of 3. Play. So Joel, you want to summarize what happened in the past 5 minutes?
Yes, I do. So we got wheel back on, tested wobble, had this impact, right? Testing the main hub nut, went about fully tight. There's a little play in the steering, but that's the steering column. Tightened it to where there was no play in the nut anymore, and no wobble. Got the castle nut on, cotter pin, got this cap back on. Now I gotta torque the wheels to 100 foot-pounds and call it good.
Give it a test spin.
To give it a test spin.
So how's it looking, Joel?
Looking pretty good. No squeaking.
No squeaking.
Looped up.
How fast am I going? 20?
You going 15?
50?
15. Sounds pretty good, huh?
That actually pulls
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, that wasn't even full. Like,
Yeah, I know. Alright guys, we just finished the driver spindle bearing. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I guess don't like it.
We got a lot of more work coming on this truck, on his truck, our shop over there.
For sure, bro.
Brand new. Got a lot of stuff in it.